Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset up preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down to find the apps. Now let's tap on see all 39 apps, of course 39 in my case, and tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on reset up preferences, and as you can see your device will inform you what it will actually reset, so the disabled apps and their notifications, default apps, background data restrictions, and any permission restrictions basically. You will not lose any of data, so no worries, just tap on reset apps right here, and basically that's all. This is how to reset up preferences in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.